Alright guys, I decided to make another video. This right here is on the Element CRV rear trailing arm, and then this is the rear lower control arm bushing right here. And these are kind of hard to find, but this is for the CRV right here, but this fits the CRV, Element, RSX, and a couple others, but I can't be sure. And in order to replace this, you need this Powerflex right here. These are actually made in the UK, and I'll give you the part number on that, and I'll show you what's inside. Here, I'll try to zoom in so you can see. Okay, there's the part number, PFR25-321, and there it is, rear lower arm inner rear bushing. This is the right one, and then I'll show you what comes in there. You're gonna get two of these, two of these, two of these, and two of these, and you can see here I already installed one. This isn't coming off at all. This, I'll show you how it goes in here. There's a lot of pounding involved to get these out, but see how this is tapered right here? There's a lip right here on it, so that these fit in here extremely tight. But I laid it down right here, and what you do is you take out, see, this is the stock bushing. This stock bushing is extremely heavy, a lot heavier than the aftermarket one. Like, this sucker has a lot of weight to it, but in order to get it out, what you have to actually do is you get a screwdriver, like a heavy duty one, or you can press it out, and you pound this right here, you pound this right here, and I had to do it to a couple spots. But the easiest way, honestly, is to get a torch. I couldn't find my torch, and basically melt the bushing out, remove this piece, and then all you'll need to do is take a screwdriver and hammer it down on both sides. So it'll basically look like this, but with this piece right here missing. Otherwise it doesn't want to push in with the rubber bushing in there. It was just so much harder. So when I do the other side, I'm going to make sure I torch it out first, then hammer this down. Otherwise you're going to be out of breath. But it'll work. Okay, so now that I got that out of the way, I'm kind of showing you the trailing arm like this. I don't know honestly if it goes this way or this way, but I couldn't get leverage the other way because you can see what I'm talking about now. I had to put it down right here, and I had to hammer down on this piece. So I'm gonna do the other side exactly the same. So I had to hammer it in this way. Then all you do, you can see how this thing has, it's kind of, see how that is? It's like a grid inside that holds the lubricant, which is it's like energy suspension. See, there it is. It's a pack of silicone lube or grease. Yep. And then once that's in, you put you lube this right here, you put it in, do the same thing to the other side, lube it all on the inside, lube the bushing, lube this pin right here, lube that. But yeah, you'll basically have it in here like this, then you'll put this bushing in, then you'll put the other bushing in here. There was no instructions for this, so I had to guess everything. Yeah, once you have it like this in here, then you're just gonna hammer the pin in while not letting these things pop off. But this right here is not only lighter but sturdier than the OEM bushings. And yeah, that's basically all there is to it. So yeah, once you have it like that, you're gonna push this piece all the way in, and then it's gonna be just like that. And all the rest of these bushings right here, like this I already have the energy suspension for. The only bushings I didn't have were these, and you can see like, I don't know if you can see it well, but there it is. You can see how bad these bushings were. Plus the car I got this off of was in an accident in the rear slightly, so these things were definitely tweaked and they shouldn't have bent like that. But all the structural metal's straight and the bushings just need to be replaced. I wanted to replace it anyways because I like the aftermarket feel of these better. But that's how you install this, and thanks for watching.